Here's how we can turn on a voice on the Google Maps. So let me talk about it. If this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. Now, of course, the important part is that at first you open up the Maps app and you can check out your profile and tap on the settings, and some options are likely going to be available in here. So for example, you can tap on the navigation and you can see that by default, it might be, the guidance audio might be muted or unmuted. So make sure it's unmuted, generally speaking, if you want to hear some sound. But you also have the volume, right? So you can make it louder, normal, and other things in here as well, right? So you have like the alert options, which also is like using the voice to alert you about different things, right? So this is the option that you want to have available. But the second approach to this is that whenever you start the navigation already, either by car or any other way, you can as well see that we have the ability to like uncheck or check the like voice icon or the sound icon. So that way you can actually decide while you are like being navigated to one place. So yeah, there are more ways how you can do this. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you in the upcoming tutorials as well.